ever tried to learn something and thought, I'm just not cut out for this, or it's too late to start? If any of these thoughts sound familiar, you're not alone. And here's the truth. These beliefs aren't just wrong, they're actually holding you back from your real potential. And today, we're going to break them down one by one. So, what are these false beliefs keeping you stuck? Let's start with the first myth. I'm just not smart enough. Have you ever said to yourself, I'm a slow learner, or I don't have the gift for learning? Here's the truth. Your ability to learn isn't set in stone. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it gets. Studies on neuroplasticity show that with the right techniques, anyone can improve how they learn. It's not about being born smart. It's about using the right strategies. But perhaps what's holding you back is something else, which brings us to myth number 2. I'm too old to learn. You might hear people saying, it's too late now. My brain just doesn't work the same way as when I was young. Again, that's untrue. Learning happens at all ages. Research on neuroplasticity shows that people in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s can still form new neural connections and master new skills. In short, your brain doesn't stop learning. It only slows down if you stop using it. That's true whether you are in your 20s or 70s. Myth number 3. I've already learned everything I needed in school. People think that their learning is done once they have a degree or diploma. But the truth is, school merely gives you a foundation or a starting point. The world is changing so rapidly. Experts estimate that knowledge is doubling every 12 months, and soon it could be every 12 hours. If you rely on what you learned in school, you'll quickly fall behind. The most successful people aren't the ones with the highest academic qualifications. They are the ones who keep learning and updating their knowledge over time. Myth number 4. I have a fixed learning style. All of us have preferred learning styles, but it's untrue to think that our learning styles are fixed. When people say, I'm a visual learner or I'm an audio learner, they're just referring to their default mode of learning. Here's the truth. Research shows that using varied approaches like reading, listening, writing, and hands-on practice helps you to absorb and remember information better. Myth number 5. If I try too hard, I'll burn out. The opposite is true. Overlearning is actually a way of reinforcing knowledge through repeated practice. The key is not to cram everything in one go, but to space out your learning sessions, alternating between intense effort and rest. Your brain is so much more powerful than you think. Now that you know the truth about learning, just imagine what's possible when you start to apply it. If you're ready to master your learning, get instant access to summaries of the best learning books like Limitless, Ultra Learning, and Make It Stick. These are designed to help you absorb, remember, and apply knowledge faster. Click the link in the description to get started.